BB, why you get lost again?
Hello YouTube, I'm out today at Felixstowe, Landguard Fort on the bike, on the Suzuki GSX 8S. I'm just trying out a few things, trying out a new microphone I've put in the helmet, a little cheap microphone I got from eBay. I don't know if it's actually going to work or not, or what it sounds like, because this helmet's quite a noisy one, so this might not even get onto YouTube. An Insta 360 X4 which I got off eBay, quite a cheap price. It was broken, advertised as spares or repairs or something, and I got it just to sort of see if I could repair it, and I think I've repaired it. I've managed to glue the case together because it was all split open. I think I've polished out a scratch on the lens. It seems alright, although the lens guards are pretty, well, they're not that good on this thing by the looks of things. I keep getting like solar flares on a sunny day and specks of dust on it, and it cuts out a couple of times, but so far it seems alright. I'm just getting the hang of it really. I still like my little DJI Action 4 camera which I have on my helmet mount. I use that most of the time. But what am I going to do with my channel? Well, I don't know. It's in a muddle. I've had this YouTube channel for around over a year now, and it's a bit of a muddle. All sorts of bits and pieces on here. I want to try and focus more on it in the new year. I've got loads of different odd collections of videos of motorbikes, travelling around, a load of different shorts. I want to try and do a few more videos on motorcycling. I've got 4 ideas coming up soon: a review on a tank bag, a review on a luggage rack, a review on a top box, and a moto camping video, which I'll get all published soon. And then later on, what I'd like to do is some more moto camping videos, perhaps around the UK, when the weather's a bit nicer. And then once I've got a bit more confidence, I'd like to go further afield into Europe and try doing a bit of filming from sort of, moto camping in Europe. See how that goes. And then ideally at some point I'd like to then go even further and do some more videos abroad, travelling with a motorbike. I was travelling around on a motorbike somewhere. That's my ideal aim at some point. I've got some time coming up in Malaysia fairly soon, so I'm going to take I'm going to take the camera to Malaysia with me and try and do a bit of filming, and see how that goes. Hopefully it'll be better than what happened in Bahrain when I tried to film, because that didn't go down too well when the police got hold of me. But I think Malaysia's a bit more relaxed than Bahrain. I will find out what happens. Anyway, I'm going to give it a go and see what happens. I'm not sure where I am now. I'm a bit lost now. Lost again. I'm lost. I've taken a wrong turning. Never mind. Oh. What happened there? Anyway, I'm just seeing today what these cameras look like and different camera angles, and getting an idea what this actually sounds like. I'm getting the hang of this motorbike now. It's completely different to my little 125 Herald, which I learnt on. This is a lot more powerful, but it feels so smoother. I can do slow manoeuvres so much easier on this, even though it's a lot more powerful and heavier than I could on my little 125. It's still easy to get caught out on this though, because of the weight. Put your foot down in the wrong place, especially on a camber, and then you suddenly feel the weight taken over and it's about to drop. That's caught me out a few times. But I'm sort of getting used to it, and I've got lost again. This is not where I was trying to head for. I should be going the other way. Like a caravan park up here. Like a little holiday park. I wonder if you can live in these all year round, or whether you have to like disappear for like a few weeks a year to make it look like you're just holidaying. Because these things must be quite cheap to live in. I would have thought probably quite cheap to heat. Right, I'm going to see if I can get out of here. But yeah, when I go to Malaysia, what I'm hoping to do is take my camera with me, do some filming, and it would be good if I can even perhaps do some filming on a little motorbike out there. I'd like to do Malaysia and Indonesia, hire a bike and ride all around there. That's one of my ideas. Long term, I'd like to go to India, do some filming in India, and yeah, do some filming in India, and then perhaps hire a motorbike in India, perhaps a Royal Enfield, and ride around India all the way to, well, the Himalayas perhaps. I don't know if I'd actually get there. Everyone seems to be going to the Himalayas at the moment on YouTube. At the moment I'm just sort of really going to Felixstowe, so it's not quite the same really. I do need to go further afield, I think. I need to travel a bit further because I'm getting bored of these little roads all around here. And I need to get the hang of talking into the microphone, into my helmet while I'm riding along. Because there's so many things to think about on a motorbike, and talking is one of them extra things to think about. Right. Put down here. Now hopefully I can find the... I want to try and get to the seafront and ride down the seafront. And I'm sure it's one of these little roads off here which I need to turn down. That's not that one. Big seagull. This one, I think. Yeah, this is looking more like it. I do love riding around on the bike. I wish I'd done this years ago. It's only recently I got my license. Yeah, it's only recently I got my license at the age of 53, and I should have done this years and years ago. It's an amazing feeling just riding around on the bike, even when you haven't really got any particular place to go, just to jump on the bike and it clears your mind. But it's such a faff to get started, to actually, before you go out for a ride, to put all the protective gear on. It takes me about 15 or 20 minutes just to get the bike out, put on the armour jeans on and the jacket, and then in the cold weather all the other bits and pieces. Then there's the motorbike boots and the gloves and the helmet and the wind chill, but it's all worth it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to see what happens with this camera when I get home, whether this footage is any good at all. I'll probably stick it on and see what happens. It's probably going to be a completely boring one, and then hopefully soon I shall go off to Malaysia and film a little bit around Malaysia. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully. Oh, I'll just go down here, I think, before I go completely. Some big bikes over here, scooters and things. I've no idea what some of them are. Big scoot, no, little scooters. What's going on up here? Oh, must be Remembrance Sunday, I think. Get up this big hill. Upset a few people when I start revving. Lots of people about today. So I'm rambling on again. Oh. I keep forgetting to switch my indicator off, and if I don't switch the indicator off, I end up pressing the horn by mistake. But I'm getting used to this bike. Always so many cars parked along here. It'd be nice to have an apartment up there overlooking the sea, but I bet they're expensive, especially at the top there. Just wake up and every morning and see the sea, and then watch the storms roll in. There's waving there. And give him a little bit of a rev. The kids around here, whenever you see them, they keep twisting their wrists to make you rev the engine. They love that. I love that as well. Oh. My positioning on this road is probably all over the place, but as I am still learning every day. I'm still learning. The trouble is, at my age, when I learn something new, I have to push something old out of my head. So something which I might really need, that I know about, I might end up pushing that out of my head to make way for new stuff, which I'm always a bit worried about. Like breathing. Right. I'm getting bored now and cold. 11:11. I keep seeing these numbers. Anyway, that is it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this video and thought it was crap, please hit the thumbs down button. And if you'd like to see more of this stuff, of doing video stuff, then yeah, please subscribe. It's all free. And on that note, thanks for watching.